Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Well, okay. We are discussing our second unit nowadays, physical quantities and measurement. Last class we have discussed about the measurement of length. Today we are going to discuss device for measuring length. Device for measuring length. All of you, please open your book. Those who don't have the book, please watch the video carefully and stay on video. Okay, students. This is our topic, devices for measuring length. We use mainly the following two devices for measuring length. Usually we are using. First one, that is a meter ruler. Meter ruler. Another one, measuring tape. A meter ruler and a measuring tape. These are the two devices we are using to measure the length. Meter ruler and measuring tape. Use of a meter ruler to measure length, first we are going to discuss. First we are going to discuss the point, use of meter ruler to measure length. Generally we use a wooden ruler or plastic ruler to measure the length. To measure the length, generally we are using a wooden ruler. Otherwise, we are usually using a plastic ruler to measure the length. It is 1 meter long and is divided into 100 equal parts. It is mainly 1 meter long and 100 equal parts. Okay. Mainly we are using a 1 meter scale or 1 meter ruler. Okay. You have a small scale, okay, 15 centimeter and 30 centimeter and all, you know. But mainly we are using the garments and all the 1 meter long measuring ruler, that is meter ruler we are using. That in that 1 meter is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is a centimeter. Each part is a centimeter. Each centimeter is further divided into 10 equal parts. Then 1 equal part is equal to 1 millimeter. We know. Each small part is millimeter. Thus, a meter ruler is marked in centimeter and millimeter. So, we can say that in a meter ruler, we can see centimeter and a millimeter. A meter ruler is marked in centimeter and a millimeter. Okay. Then smaller rulers measuring 50 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 15 centimeter are also available. I told you, you have two types of scale mainly. One is a small one, that is 15 centimeter. Second one, big one, steel scale and all, that is 30 centimeter one. Then figure 2.1 shows a ruler of 15 centimeter. Okay, here you can see one ruler of 15 centimeter. Figure 2.1. A 15 centimeter long ruler with each division equal to 1 millimeter. You see 0 to 1. That each division is divided. If you count this in between this part in your scale, you can see that that is of 10 parts, 10 equal parts. That shows the millimeter, that is M. Okay. Thus, a meter ruler has a small division of 1 millimeter. It can measure the length correct up to 1 millimeter. Now we are going to discuss about the topic measurement of length of an object with a meter ruler. It's a very easy thing we are usually we are doing. Okay. Then also just we can have a discussion here. To measure the length of an object with a meter ruler, the ruler is placed with its markings close to the object. Then the 0 mark on the ruler is made to coincide with one end of the object. Okay, 0 mark, it's a main thing. 0 mark on the ruler is made to coincide with the one end of the object. Now the position of the ruler clear? Sorry. Now the position of the other end of the object is read on the ruler. This reading gives the length of the object, but a ruler has some thickness. So while looking at the reading on the scale, we get different readings. When the eye is kept at different positions, we'll get different measurements because ruler is having some thickness. This is called error of parallax. Error of parallax. To avoid this error, what to do? The correct reading is obtained when the eye is kept in front of and in line with the reading to be taken. The eye side should be in line when we take the reading of a substance or reading of anything. Now figure 2.2 illustrates the measuring length of a rod PQ. So here is a diagram, please observe it, figure 2.2. Okay, how to measure the length of an object. Figure, you have observed that the end P of the rod coincides with the 0 mark on the ruler. Okay, P coincide 0 mark on the ruler. Okay, P coincide 0 mark on the ruler. If the end Q of the rod is read by keeping the eye at position A, the reading is 4.2 centimeter. You see, if we are keeping our eye in this position, the measurement will be 4.2. If you are keeping our position of eye at B, that is 4.3. If we keep our eye position in C, we will get the measurement 4.4 centimeter. Then which one is correct position? I told you this one, the middle one, the position B. The correct inline, we have to see inline to take a reading of an object by using the measuring ruler. We have to see inline, straight, then only we will get the correct reading. Okay, students. Now, note, sometimes the ends of the ruler get damaged with use and its 0 mark may not be visible. Okay, in your scale also may be, if it is old. To measure the length of an object with such a ruler, the object is placed close to a specific marking on the ruler and positions of the both ends of the object are read on the ruler. The difference of the two readings gives the length of the object. In figure 2.3, you just observe it, figure 2.3. Okay. If our scale, the 0 mark is blank or it is disappeared, how to measure the actual length of the given object? We are going to discuss now. To measure the length of an object with such a ruler, the object is placed close to the specific marking on the ruler and positions of the both ends of the object are read on the ruler. The difference of the two readings gives the length of the object. The reading on ruler at the end x is 1 centimeter, at the end y is 4.3 centimeter, then find out the xy, the length, by minus it. 4.3 minus 1.0, that is equal to 3.3 centimeter. Okay. Thus, a meter ruler can measure a length up to 1 millimeter. A meter ruler can only be used to measure the length of straight objects. Length of meter ruler can be used to measure the length of straight objects. Do you know a meter ruler can be used to measure the thickness of a coin even if it is less than 1 millimeter? For this, the height of a stack of few number of coins is measured by using the meter rule, and then the thickness of a coin is obtained by dividing the height with the number of coins in the stack. And also, to measure the length smaller than 1 millimeter, vernier calipers is used. Vernier calipers is used. It measures lengths up to 0.1 millimeter, and screw gauge is used to measure lengths up to 0.01 millimeter. Screw gauge. Vernier calipers we are using to measure 1 millimeter one, then screw gauge we are using to measure 0.1 millimeter, 0.01 millimeter lengths, up to 0.01 millimeter lengths. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the use of measuring tape to measure the length. This point will be discussed in next class. It's time to wind up today's session. Okay. I hope that you understood the points. Wait for next video. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.